yes. Kokhovola in the studio. Swane FM. Sasiphuma khona siqedile.
Benjani interview mdala besinimamele da.
Uyabona mfika lapha ngoba I was late amaphapha bephezulu.
Yeah.
But when a thing is new uyabungazizwa ukuthi uyenzani kuyazenzakalela ngathi automatic.
Yeah.
I live this thing ngiphila lento spirituality. So when you get me to talk about spirituality, it doesn't matter where I am.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, even now, if I was having a stress or what so forth, it will be outsmarted. It will be overcome by the thing that says, I live this thing.
Yeah, so this was Swane FM. Kokhovola was having a radio interview engaging with the Swane residents, you know, Abesuthu.
When I'm Suthu. Yes.
This little guy.
Yes.
Esikhala
Isithakathi
zikaKokhovola ke.
Dumisa siyahamba.
Ajangi nivaye kahle.
Awuyibona inyanga nje.
Nivaye kahle Kokhovola.
Yeah.